Is Elon Musk going to merge SpaceX and Tesla into one super AI conglomerate company? Here's my thoughts below. Honestly, I think so, but I don't think it's going to be this year. In the most recent earnings release for Tesla, he was asked about the merger, and he basically said that it is not the appropriate venue to be talking mergers because the lawyers and the regulators are telling him he cannot talk about these things. But the other thing is he's likely not going to announce it after those companies collectively have lost around 50%. But let's break it down even further. Tesla right now has a market cap estimated around 1.23 trillion, down from about 1.6 trillion about a month ago. So it's seen some steep decline. SpaceX from its all-time high peak was around a $3.0 trillion market cap, right now sitting at 1.52 trillion. In Tesla, he has around a 19.9% voting power, and previously he has been known for stating there should be guardrails from him or anyone else should they go insane. Then the debacle happened with OpenAI, and he feels that the mission rapidly changed and he does not like the direction that the company went. So now he's decided he wants more control, more power to effectively ensure that the stated mission remains the stated mission. And now he's praising Alphabet's Google and the Zuck and how they have supermajority voting shares and those dual class shares. So he learned from his mistake. Now with Tesla, they have a one share, one vote system, and that is an SEC rule prohibits Tesla from ever changing that one share, one vote rule. With SpaceX, he retains 82 to 85% control because in SpaceX, he does have the dual share class structure. So then the question comes, is SpaceX going to acquire Tesla or would Tesla acquire SpaceX? Based on this data and everything I just discussed, it seems like if and when there is an acquisition, it will be SpaceX that will be acquiring Tesla. At what point in time, we have no idea. History suggests that a company that is going to get acquired is going to get acquired at a premium. So they're not just going to buy it for the listed share value that it has right now. There are many shareholders that are just long Tesla or long SpaceX just because in reality they're long Elon. But there are many individuals that are just long Tesla because they believe in the company and the direction that it's been going. They're not really interested in getting into the space race. They are going to need to be paid a premium to having those shares acquired or a company that they may not have had any interest in, such as SpaceX. Markets and history suggest that around a 20 to 30% premium is going to be given. So let's go on the higher number and let's suggest it's a 30% premium. I want to be clear, this is just a thought exercise. They're not going to do it now. They're not going to do it when the stock is suppressed. They're going to do it when it's high. Elon Musk and Tesla alone has a history of kind of shielding around the 420 mark. But at a 30% markup of that 420 mark, it lands the stock around a $546-ish. So I would not be surprised in the slightest bit if at some point Tesla gets acquired at around $550 per share, and those shares will get exchanged for some ratio transference to SpaceX. If you think there's going to be a merger, let me know in the comments. What do you think the price for Tesla being the acquired company is going to be purchased for? Let me know in your comments below.